been a fantastic event, walking the whole line up to Birchden Junction and back, getting a train ride back to Tunbridge Wells. It's been absolutely fantastic. So join me today on a special event. Like I say, it's called Stroll the Line, and let's get that intro rolling.
Only a short one. Well, a lovely early Sunday morning outside the original Tunbridge Wells West station, and we're here nice and early as usual. The gates haven't opened yet, but the trains are already ready to go for today, and traction consists of the Class 31 Sister Dora and Class 73 73140, top and tailing for our train back from Groombridge later on. And this is what the event Stride the Line is all about, replacing the Broom Lane Bridge. All proceeds of this walk go towards the designing, making and replacing of the old bridge, and the railway has made a fantastic start to the fundraiser, and as of the time of speaking, they have raised over £20,000. You can scan this QR code to make a donation. Whilst we waited for the faster groups to go first, we would later join the last group by going through in the engine shed. When walking out of the shed, to our surprise was recently renamed Southern Railway Bully Pacific 34053 303 Squadron, having its boiler warmed through in the morning. With the 5-mile walk started, let's cue that music. Now whilst we're at the midpoint at Groombridge, I thought why not, let's go and get a can of Coke and have a little break before we finish off going towards Birchden Junction. And whilst also having the unique experience of being ground level with the Class 73 and the Class 31, it was time to head back out and get towards Birchden Junction, roll the music. So we've just made it to the end of the line and yep, got to touch the gate. Now just over there, there is the main line. So with the walk done, now what we've got to do is wait for everyone to come back to Groombridge station. This train will then come back out temporarily and then go back into the station, and then we jump on the train to go back to Tunbridge Wells. Shortly after saying that, I was then told by the general manager we're all going to be having a group photo at Groombridge station. Whilst this train is currently out of the station, once we've had the photo, the train will then come back in and take us back down to Tunbridge Wells West.
Yeah, top and tail in. fantastic event that has been called Stride the Line. I'm absolutely knackered, my legs are aching, but what a fantastic turnout today. They've had over 175 people turn up today, which has been a real good kickstart to the fundraiser. I'd highly recommend Spa Valley does it, and hopefully the other heritage lines see this event and actually see that they could do this as well. Been absolutely fantastic. 303 Squadron's just been steamed up, ready for its washout today. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be here because I don't know what that is yet. So see you soon. It's not even going down it. No. Fair enough, well that was wasted.